Hi friends, welcome to simpleindianrecipes.com, your online guide to simple and healthy home style cooking. Today I want to share something very interesting and special. It's the way lunch used to be packed in my hometown Kanyakumari some 25 to 30 years back. It's called the Pothi Choru or the Kattu Choru. For those who have tasted this before, this video will evoke your nostalgic feeling. The items packed were boiled Kerala Matta Rice along with Aviyal, Chammandhi, also called Thuvayal, and boiled egg. Usually this is the menu, but sometimes instead of Aviyal they keep other vegetable torans, and the Thuvayal could also be a different one like raw mango Thuvayal. Instead of boiled egg, sometimes grandma used to keep omelette too. Along with these, a piece of fried fish and a spoon of homemade pickle was also sometimes included. The magic of this meal lies in the way it is packed. Fresh banana leaves were used for packing, which imparts a unique aroma and taste to the meal. So now let's see how it is done. If the midrib of the banana leaf is very thick, you need to cut it to make it thinner. Next, wash the leaf and keep it ready. Next, you need to show the leaf over open flame and toast it slightly. This will make the leaf softer and prevent it from tearing while packing. The leaves get lightly burned and its color changes. So here you can see I'm packing my lunch. This is the first time I'm doing, so it may not be perfect, but you'll get an idea. The rice is first kept in the middle. Next, the Aviyal, boiled egg and the Thenga Chammandhi are kept on top of the rice. We do not have any curry here, so keep a generous amount of Chammandhi and Aviyal. Once everything is kept, fold the leaves on all the sides to wrap it. Wrap the newspaper over this. So here you have your tightly packed parcel ready. So next my husband is packing his lunch. We actually did this on a weekend just to refresh our childhood memories. Not only did we enjoy, but our daughter and our son were excited by the whole process. My husband is securing his parcel using a twine. You can also use a rubber band for this. Actually, in those days, the fiber from the banana plant itself, called the naru, was used for tying. So our parcels are ready for me, my husband and my daughter. My son is too small to eat in a leaf. So now you need to leave this for at least 3 to 4 hours. Only then you'll get that authentic taste. This time is very important for the flavors of the rice, the banana leaf and the side dishes to blend with each other. As soon as you open the parcel, you can smell the aroma. Don't you think this is the most hygienic way of packing lunch? We use a fresh banana leaf every day. I'm going to enjoy my meal now. All my friends and subscribers, you too can make this someday at your home and share our traditional practices with your children. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends. See you again with another interesting video. Until then, bye-bye.